Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. We're doing another What I Eat in the Day video. It's day 3 of NEWvember. If you'd like to see what I eat in the day to stay accountable on the WW Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. For breakfast, I made some frozen shredded hash browns. I added some peppers and onions and some turkey sausage crumbles. And then I added some eggs and 1 piece of Velveeta cheese. And that is my breakfast this morning. It is going to be 3 points for the eggs, 3 points for the rye toast I have, and 1 point for the light butter. So if you add my 1 point iced coffee, I had an 8-point breakfast. I'm having a McDonald's iced coffee. That's probably going to be my lunch for today. I'm going to play a poker tournament, so I probably will just eat when I get home, which may be late if I do any good. So this is 4 points. It's McDonald's iced coffee with no liquid sugar, and I just add cream. I made a quick sandwich, a smoked turkey sandwich. It's 2 points for the meat, 2 points for the bread, and 1 point for the light mayonnaise. So that is a 5-point sandwich. And then I'm having a mandarin orange, and that's going to be my lunch. I made some of this for dinner. It's barbecued teriyaki chicken. It is 5 points for 1 cup serving. And then I put it over 6 points worth of brown rice. So this is an 11-point dinner. So that's going to be it for this short video. I was not home much of the day, so I just squeezed in a few meals, and I ended the day using 28 points. My day, I wasn't at home. I did not drink my water, and I only got 3,000 steps, so it was bad on the water and bad on the fitness. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.